beautiful people, it's your one and only Lady Jill. If you are not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, when today's topic is Iwe Agbada Ekonwe Shoko to join now. My darling people, hey, wahala dey o. Una know that man whether they call Ozobo, we follow the people go swear that day. I come the year now say they say Obado driver for palace, say wetin they go do that day, say no good. I come the shock so my people, my mouth and go here now, but listen to Lolo, which they play the record.
Maybe not then, Baba Ginat Ozobo. Away Matana, Benny report, another one wish no Abuja. On our gear, on our kind, and I wouldn't answer for a regua, no day. No day, Ozobo for a regua, only your body no. So, when I ask you, sign him a magazine. You are not a young swear for a regua, he regua. No, that's so like you.
He said that yesterday now they drive Ozobo for palace. Say Oba say don't say in the year many things about them. So now they come finally escort and come out for palace. Say Oba come drive and I say hey. You were no day. No day I saw it like that. When it come I want. Go take care.
Did you hear it? You are the only man they can, you know. Oh no man, if you know anybody there, anyhow, where they want to do one. If you get connection, anyhow, where they want to do one. Auntie, anyhow, come go and get your ticket for pay show. Come and know the reason why anybody that follow this Dango, he go lose his respect. He will lose everything that concerns you. Is it today Ozobo have been there? Is Ozobo not a man that everybody know? Anybody who is involved with this imbecile, come and listen today on my pay show why your life will be forever destroyed. Come and listen. Go and grab your ticket. It's not late. Pay for your ticket. Come and listen. Why this person you must run. Run for your life. Who is calling me? Run for your life. Hello? Good afternoon. Oh, you know Zip. Oh, thank you, Jerry. Oh, you know Zip. Thank you, Jerry, my sister. Oh, now my drawers there. I no borrow. Thank you, Jerry. If you now they look at my child and no Zip. You yourself too much. You don't wear Jerry, my sister. Igwe na night duty. Maybe now when we take one and person. Oh yeah, listen.
Oh.
Listen.
Matani report my since on our way, Papa. You go my key. On our way.
Look at who is joining me to pop the champagne. Look at who is joining me to pop the champagne. Who is that? Who is that? Wait. If I hear pim. You hear that? Who know? With your connection. Who know? Anyhow, when I want to do one. Turula enter a guy. Go even the big person for a guy. Go the big person.
My people, this one it shockalize me like, hey, this one shockalize me, it shockalize me like seriously. Is this really true? Is this true?
Shameful and disgraceful. Eh? Ah, no. Ah, this is bad. Hmm? This is shameful and disgraceful. What a shame. What a shame. I don't get it. Eh? Hey, yes, I love if I buy so now. Ah, God. Ah, no, this is bad. This is terribly bad. Yeah? Hey, ah, Dara. Ah, Papa. Hey, what's that? When I walk my boy, I name matter. Una tear you, them matter. My young cannot eat well, cannot mind ever not go eat when I carry like you don't go swear. When I tear say, anybody know how much to be no because social media to have here, yeah, my here, Sarah, or to tear any, who tear sin. What the proper channel no can well lily. But Intro came out and said the case we are not reported at the palace officially. And when people mind not official. Officially, anything not the official agbon yebe. It has to be put in writing. If palace invites you, they will give you a letter. They will send a letter signed by the secretary. That is official. Oh yeah. Only people mind not official. What be so it was not official.
He said if palace invites you, you go be official. He said not be the way they do this one. So not be so they invite people go palace.
That was dangerous the fact. And in case in everyone have a Mwari Egwai, all that we walk on a robot, oh Yataba, oh okay, that is not the case. And the original mother you will hear Mwebolatia, where the Mofi Yage and the Mofi Doku in Hofua, where a mother, where a family mother, when near Egimare Dorishi. Let Dorishi or you top and not be a young one, and let you know where I will say mine. Where Nigeria, Mafia, where I do a business where don't even know where my own, no, so don't even ask support on not be a sister where I wrong. Where I call your own safe. That is not what you are doing. You know what you will be again. Oh, Mamma, the hair will be again. Dorishi, Papa, while I don't know when I join I Sonia night. My Sonia Nia, by I'm so weary. If I go my wrong, why I live back that you were here again or be. If you were here again, I don't know why. Yatia Boguma Lovia came, Monica Malovia Coco, no water. Go and swear. Is that too much to ask? Is that an expensive advice that one can give to a fellow Edo brother? Oh, one I say million. I wanna when we go beje. Emma. I wanna when we go be. Emma Ozobo bada. Emma.
I know what Mama will say to the talk now. Say if you too like money, you too the money matter. He said now what they see for money. He said now be this one. He said now Ozobo see so my people. This one shocked me. Oh, this one lad like they shockalize me. I say I can't tell now. Say they say Ozobo say now. You know the palace again because of what they go do. So my darling people, if you think say this thing are truth, you wanna see leave a comment for the comment section. I go see can update tonight again. What it can happen next. Bye.